Sis po ma'am, pasyo na po ma'am.
Yes, maaga natin event. Good morning everyone. Thank you so much sa pagpunta. Kim, your fans have been here since early morning. Sarado pang bon. Nakita ko sila with the posters. Yes, yes, oo nga. Kaya maraming salamat po for coming this early to support Fairfix and also me. Maraming salamat everyone. Kim, so officially opening the Hair Mixing Pop-Up here at SM Mall of Asia. I would like to invite the Hair Mix management team, Watson's partner, and of course, I'll be staying here beside Kim Chu for the ribbon cutting ceremony.
Mata sundi-kundi ma'am. Pasunin na lang po. Mata sundi tayo ma'am. Para nito ma'am.
We welcome the photographers, media friends to take the official photo before the ribbon cutting. Mga fans ng Kim Chu, I would like to hear you shout for her name. Are we all ready for the official ribbon cutting? I'll count in 3, 2, 1, okay?
Pasunin na lang po. Atras kundi.
Okay, sabay-sabay tayo with our official photographers, media press, ready your camera in 3, 2, 1! Congratulations, the Fairfix Hair Mixing Pop-Up is now officially open here at SM Mall of Asia. favorite products. Let's all welcome celebrity hairstylist Rex Pangilinan.
Hi everyone. Hi Kim, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. Yeah, long time no see, grabe.
So may question ako sa'yo.
What is this? Ano masagot ko?
Oo. Ano bang favorite mo na hairstyle?
My favorite hairstyle, I love long hair talaga. Kaya very rare nyo lang talaga ako makikita ng short hair. And I love curling my hair.
Ah.
Kasi feeling ko talaga nakaka-pretty talaga kapag curly hair ka.
Actually, parang trademark mo nga talaga yung last curly.
Super, I love.
Yung parang hindi ikaw yun pag hindi curly.
I know. Parang unique talaga. Pero, syempre, nasa showbiz world tayo. We have to, like, i-reinvent yourself,
Yeah.
iba-ibang hairstyles.
Yes. And then meron tayong tinatawag na artista curl.
Yes.
Yes, di ba?
Yes. Can you explain to them?
So your artista curl is very defined curl. Yes. So your artista curl is very defined curl and then also very voluminous and shiny. And then one secret that I do, which I use here, actually, the Power Curl Defining Spray. So this is a 3-in-1 curl to fix your hair. Voluminous, shiny, and then also, nag-hold yung curls mo after together. For sure, ginamit yung ni Kim kanina.
Of course, you leave on, and also this one is
Yeah. So this one, I would recommend for you to use before you blow dry your hair. So kunwari, pagka-shower mo, hindi pa ikaw gumagawin sa
Yes.
So pagka-shower mo, that hair, you spray it all over your hair. And then, you blow dry it and you curl it. Ang magic nito is, hindi mo kailangan masyado mag-hairspray. Lalo na sa mga girls, hindi natin masyado mag-spray. Super yummy, super tasty hairspray. Diba? And then also, this makes your hair really shiny. And then mag-hold talaga yung curls mo buong araw. Perfect sa mga curly na girls natin like me. Hi. Oo. We have a whole line of power curls which is perfect for you guys. So, kunyari na lang, I would spray. Actually, perfect. Kunyari galing ng shower, kunyari naligo.
And Rex, I believe, how does the texture feel? How does it feel? Is it sticky ba? Kasi yung eye natin sa
Actually, hindi siya malagpas. This is pH. Ano na kayong summer. That's why I recommend it after the summer to dry.
Kaya, at least, hindi mo sa magkakasarap mo. Kaya, nakulong yung hair mo. Nag-stay ba siya all day? Yes, one thing I love about hair fix is hindi lang ang styling yung mga products niya. Meron din siyang mga treatment products for the hair and for skin. So, nothing hair fix can fix. You know, nothing hair fix can fix. By the way, ako naman din ako what is like about early hair? And I'm sure all of us can relate. Is that
Actually, may bagong favorite product na for all the girls na flat hair. I know, a lot of Filipinos usually have problem with flat yung hair na kagaya. Gusto nila yung mahal. And then also, hindi malaki. And then we will reveal this today.
I love this product. Like super. Lalo na flat yung hair ko. And flat on the other side. Unveiling of the newest product, Raw Hair Fix. Sabay-sabay tayo in 3, 2, 1, go!
So when the miracle volume, all you have to do is fill out. Fill out. For these, then you just want to pocket. So even for men, maganda ito kasi natin yung volume. And then yung tapos ayaw natin yung parang wax. So it's the perfect product for you. So,
Diba, mabilis siya umangat. Instant and fast. Actually, angat na siya kanina. May aangat pa pala. Akala ko wala na. Diba, akala ko wala na. Nagwila. Umangat na siya. Ang taas na ng tingin namin sa'yo. Habang second floor tayo. Yeah.
ayan, so I use this like before and then after. What do you think about this? Take it in the hand.
So I can see that it's powder form. So how is it different if it's with your regular powder na like powder? Yung powder na baby ko. Pwede ba yun?
Hindi. Kasi hindi yun hair. So anyway, this is like to make your hair add more volume. So ang maganda kasi dito is dry. So parang kasi yung lumalaban sa dun sa oil, so scalp na.
And also sa sweat din.
Yes, actually, oo. Saka hindi tumatagal sa hanggang bukas. Kailan.
Thank you so much, Kyle. Tika naman. Gusto niyo ng photo op for Kyle? Who's our next model? For girl naman. Thank you so much, Kyle, for that. Next, I would like to call on another content creator with Bonga hair color, Hazel. Yes. So, tell me about your hair. It was 20 years. Oh my God, hindi pa uso yung mga color. Yes, kahit ikaw na lang gumawa sa bahay, di ba? Super!
Oh, 20 years na yun. So ang problem is also with good hair, like this, dito 20 years. So ang problem namin is flat siya. And then also walang hold. Di ba? Yung flat, ito all dito. So, perfect yung miracle volume for
May section na
yeah, basically yung stop na nalalagay. Tapos, gamayin ko lang siya. Then, yung sayo yung parang yung magkakabolong sa niya.
Wow, it's not, wala nang teeth. Hindi na nakikita ang hair mo. Yeah.
Ayaw din yung
Ayaw ko lang pinipis sa hair ko kasi nag-hair. So, ito na yung sagot sa ayaw magpatis ng hair. So, we can touch your hair right now. Gusto ko malaman ano yung hair.
Walang nakit actually. Pero may volume na. I love it.
Naririnig ko na ba siya? Char, volume. Nakakainis ka. Okay, so ay wow, amazing!
Ayan, di ba? Meron agad sa
Kaya siya tinawag ng miracle volume. Instant effect. So, photo off muna with our volumized hair. Hazel, thank you for being our model for today. Palapakan po natin mga guests natin. Friends, I'll see you later. Thank you so much. Any final tips that you would like to share to the audience?
Final tip is to always take care of your hair like your skin. Like you give it to everyone. So it starts from when you shower, tapos different treatment, and then pati yung mga, halimbawa hindi protected, and then mga treatment in your hair. Actually, favorite ko din. So yun. Thank you so much guys! Thank you Kim!
Thank you, Rex. Palakpakan po natin si Rex Pamilikas. Kim, while you're here with me, I want to tell you something. I've been watching your videos, TikTok, Instagram, Reel Calls, and my favorite, I'm a professional makeup artist, but I'm a personal hair stylist. Really? So, into beauty ka din. So, lagi ko pinapanood yung mga videos with me. I love it.
dun sa behind the scene videos mo. And I've seen that these are your favorite. Ito mga apat.
Ay, super talaga!
Nawawala yung isa. Si Miracle Boy, kinuha na ni Red. Si Inoue.
Inuwi na ni Red.
Si Sole.
Dahil yun ang bago kong...
Thank you, ayan. Can I start with this one? I've been seeing you use the Pearl Styling Gel.
Super.
Can you share how you use it and that?
Super! Favorite ko talaga to. Even yung mga friends ko, sabi nila, ginagamit ang nila to dahil napapanood nila sa IG stories ko. As in, yung buhok kasi natin nagsastatic kasi nga sa weather dito sa Pilipinas, mainit siya. So, more on nagagamit siya tapos bumubuhaghag. So, with Pearl Styling Milk, talagang napupwesto yung curl kahit saan ko gusto. And nagsistay yung curl. So, I really love this. Must have talaga to sa aking styling kit.
Walang keme, nakikita ko talaga sa stories.
Super! I love
And
it.
then also, I have been seeing you on a running era. Yung warm up.
Yes.
Straight hair ka dyan. And I
Yeah!
know with straight hair, you're using another product. It's the Keratin Straight.
Yes, hindi pag straight hair naman ako, hindi ko ginagamit yung curl styling kasi medyo, ano siya, may moisture effect siya. So with this one, ito naman, nag-shine. Nagbibigay siya ng shine, kasi natanggal niya yung mga tutsang. And pang straight hair talaga. And with keratin na rin siya. So may treatment na kasama after mong patching yung hair mo. And it gives shiny hair vibe. Na para talagang, very healthy yung hair mo after. So ito yung pang straight hair.
Hashtag from thin, shiny hair vibe.
Super! And aside from that, super affordable.
I love it. Actually, it was discount pa ngayon.
Yes, super talaga. Hair mix talaga number one.
And then another sa ninetok ko is something that you use, especially sa mga glamour. Glamour is key.
Yes, ano naman yung stronghold sa mga gusto mag-ponytail. Kasi may mga hairspray na may aerosol. So this one naman, iba naman siya. So diretso talaga siya. And even yung sister ko, si Twinkle, FA siya. So sabi niya, gusto ko yung spray net ng hair fix. Kasi parang iba yung lapat net sa ulo mo. Talagang naaayos niya talaga yung mga ponytail, half pony. Nasa style niya talaga ng maayos. So, this one talaga talaga. At hindi talaga pwedeng wala ito sa pag-style ko ng hair.
And last but not the least, yung kaka-launch natin today, you would like to share to your fans on how you would use it. Kasi wala kami behind the scenes mga team. Wala kami plan.
Gagawa ko.
Gagawa ka.
Gagawa ko ng ng content for this. Ito naman, after naman ka mag-style ng hair, para less, yung ginaganyan mo, nasisira yung mga strand. Yes, lalo na sa may anit na part. So, pag tumuho ka lang, sisirain mo na kaagad. So, with this one, the Miracle Volume, it gives volume to your hair. And this is my new favorite. Dahil kaka-launch lang ito. And I'm very happy na meron na ang hair fix ng Miracle Volume.
Yes. Walang alam mo, kanina sinabi niya yung mga hair problems. Yung kakatubo lang hinahatak na. So, alam mo ba, ang hair fix gotcha. Okay, so may scalp expert din sila to protect your scalp just in case, okay? So, Kim, relax muna tayo dito. And I'll share to you that there are top spenders who would get the chance to take a photo with our Miss Kim Chu today. So I would like to call our top fans to have a one-on-one photo, and the photo will be printed out today for you. So makukuha niyo kaagad. I would like to call on the top spender, please.
Today, 11:59 p.m.
11:59 and 9 seconds ba? Ayan, our top spender.
Nakalagay ba na track?
Bye!
For a photo of again, our top spenders will proceed to the stage and get ready to capture hair-raising moment with Kim Chu. You will receive your photo after the program. Habang nagpo-photo op Miss Kim, I would like to listen to some of the facts that would like to send some message to Miss Kim. Miss Kim. Hi, Kim. Ayan, dito naman. Hello, Kim. Iloilo.
Nasa ibang bansa. Sagal na, no?
For you, again, po yung mga fans nyo na sabi, hi, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, great mo.
Pero parang dito sila yun. Fantasy na yun, eh. Maging ate pa po kaya. Wala ka ba kaya? Sorry.
Pero mas masyado.
Parang ano siya, man.
Gusto ko yung feminine siya, pero manly pa din. So, i-remain lang natin.
So, mas madali.
Meron tayong Flip your hair challenge. I remember that. So, I would like to invite five who would like to join us here on stage to dance with Miss Kim.
Di ba entertainment? Sabi ko,
Sino bang gusto? Three more? Maybe sa mga fans? May fans ba dyan gusto mag-dance challenge?
Ayaw magtatatrasan lang. Picture lang, Mars, no dance.
Yes, please.
Ay, ready naman si Mars.
Okay.
Ready naman si Mars.
Adi!
Pwede naman magpa-picture, wag lang magdadance.
Okay. Five na tayo.
Yan. May split.
Okay. So, kayo ang sasayaw ng best dance nyo. Papakita nyo kay Miss Kim yung hair flip. Any hair flip dance na you can do. The more creative.
First, dapat ikaw, kasi yung hair ko.
Gagawin ako pala dito. Oo, ikaw ang shot.
Ay, Marimar? Sa dada? Marimar.
Kailangan maging judgmental. Okay, i-play muna natin ang music. Mag-practice muna sila para ma-feel ng mga contestants natin how to do this challenge. So, Miss Kim will be here beside me para makita mo yung dance nila. Music, please! Stop. Okay, yan ang music natin. Try to be creative, catch her attention. Could be hair flip, pakitaan niyo yung magandang hair nyo. Anything can do. Are you ready? May audience impact to, ha? So, kailangan may look the audience, okay? Let's start with the music!
What's the matter? Oh, mom.
I love it. Love it, so pretty. Ayan. Audience impact. Walang audience impact at nakaka-camera yan. Kitang-kita ang sayaw ninyo.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Yes, let's go. Yes. think we have a winner. Meron din silang nag-triplet ng sagad eh.
Sinagad yun.
The last one. Hey, what's your name? Hazel, congratulations! Pero palakpakan pa rin natin ang ibang mga sumali. Yes, I love it. Mapangahay.
Dapat may split para nagkakapanalo. Oo.
Ready, one, two.
Ang na-expect ko from you ay split. Pati 360 yung ulo. Ay, one pa naman yun. Yes, one pa naman. Si Bossy.
Okay, ready? Your photo lang, one, two, people, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you so much, bro, for joining to our dance challenge. May na-inspire si Dave sa kanyang dance product, yung pa-hair flip. I love. Ang gaganda nilang lahat. Lahat naman din dito ngayon, so pretty. I love it. So, Kim, I would like to invite everyone to explore the Hair Fix pop-up here at SM Mall of Asia. Discover styling, treatments, scalp hair, and hair color solutions. Don't miss today's exclusive promos. Maraming promos and bundles to find your perfect hair routine. Because wherever your hair needs, gusto ko sabay-sabay tayo sa ligaw ng Hair Fix got you. Okay? Again, whatever your hair needs, Hair Fix got you! Thank you so much. I'll see you all later, but I would like to invite all the influencers, media friends, and Watsons and the Hair Fix marketing team to join here in front for a group photo op.
Arden! Arden!
Ano yun? Para makita
Stay strong.
Ay,